Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. If you're new to the channel, a big warm welcome, and welcome to our Wine and Dine series, where we're going to be showing you how to make some of Disney's favourites right at home. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe, and if you feel like you're getting value of this, go ahead and smash that like button. But in today's episode, we're going to be looking at the Grey Goose Citron Slush that's served at the France Pavilion at Epcot.
This drink was certainly very delightful. It was refreshing and so easy to make, and I hope you enjoyed as much as we do. If you like this, or if you have any other favorites from Epcot or any of the other parks, please comment below and tell us your likes. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed the first episode of the Wine and Dine series. We look forward to seeing you for the next episode. Bon appetit, and we'll see you real soon!